My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, we're going to be doing a real quick unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box for October. So I guess they did change their boxes to, or their packaging to the white box without the like clear makeup pouch, which is fine by me because those clear pouches were cheap. Like the straps would fall apart and yeah. So here is the pamphlet for this month. Let's see what we're getting. I was not happy at all with last month's products. All right. The first product is this Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. If you could bottle glowy, dewy radiance, you would arrive at this brand new moisturizer from Sunday Riley. It reminds me a little of icing in the tub. It's thick and smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into skin as fast as a serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even the rough, scaly spots. Oh my gosh, awesome. I'm really excited to try this. I wish it was a little bit bigger. This is 0.3 ounces. Full size retails for $65. The next product is this M61 PowerGlow Peel. So this is a 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel, quick glycolic and salicylic acid exfoliating peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. So it's a little towelette, and yeah, you just rub it on. You don't even need to rinse it off. That's pretty cool. So retail value is $30 for 10 treatments, and it looks like there are 3 in here. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, the next product, something that's been around for a while, but I have never tried it and always wanted to, and it is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This classic body moisturizer with cupasau butter, I can never say that right, is both richly emollient and non-greasy. That's a feat in itself, but the main attraction is the smell. It's sugary, buttery, and beachy, like the fresh coconuts and sweet popcorn sold on many of Rio's beaches. The aroma is so magnetic that more than one friend has asked to use mine. All right, full size is $45. Yeah, it does smell. I definitely smell like the coconut and vanilla. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. So this is 0.84 ounces. I don't know if I said it. Full size retails for $45. The next product is this MODELCO Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Saint Tropez. Retail value is $13. I'm not a big fan of these MODELCO Trio eyeshadows, to be honest. Well, these actually look pretty metallic. Here's one of the shades. I mean, that's not bad. Just not my style. The next product is this MODELCO Eye Light in Granite. This blackened silver cream shadow dries quickly and looks fresh hours after applications. All right, so price is $9. I've actually gotten one of these from Allure before. I don't know how I feel about that color though. I mean, putting a black eyeshadow in my outer corner is like out of my comfort zone. So putting it all over my lid, I don't know. Yeah. I just don't know how I feel about that. I don't see much silver in there. I mean, it's like black with a little bit of silver glitter. The next product we have is this Neep Mineral Bath Salt in Dream Away. And, okay, this high content of pure and natural thermal spring salt is obtained from pure natural brine in Europe's only remaining open pan salt works, the Saline Lucenhall. Okay. I love taking baths with Epsom salt for my back. It really helps, so I will actually try this. Retails for $20. And then I guess this is a bonus, but this is Lumify Bausch & Lomb Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Okay. I mean, I do wear contacts, so I am down to try that. It says, Lumify eye drops dramatically reduce redness and help your eyes look whiter and brighter for up to 8 hours. Huh. Okay. I don't know the retail value. It doesn't say. It just has this little ad on the back, but it's interesting. All right, let me see how I feel about this box. I'm excited about the Sunday Riley cream, the Bum Bum cream, and the peel wipes, and I guess the eye drops, but that's about it. I'm not happy with these two, but so I will put them in a giveaway. Allure's starting to disappoint me. Let me know what you guys think about my box down in the comments below. All right, I will see you in my next video. Bye.